to get that bird?
I was gonna say, the bird poop is still there.
Yeah. Look at that service. Damn, Vic, I'm glad I did that, brother. You're gonna need to do that one too, real quick.
Yeah, it's pretty grimy.
Hey.
Oh, it smells way fresher now over here too.
Alright, that's all I'm doing for now, Vic.
Better than it was. At least there's no bird poop.
Alright guys, well, we're in our new ice cream van, which is our second van, I guess. We finally got a permit for it, and we need to go pick up some metal from Industrial Metal Supply. And with nothing in the back of this thing, it makes it the perfect hauler to go pick up sheets of metal and basically give this its first test drive, I guess, because really it came off the trailer, got parked. I did have to do some work today. I got some Downstar hardware in the dash now to hold the dash panel on. I had to get some of the lights working, and we'll be rolling.
The last ice cream truck, the seat was facing the other way, so the seatbelt didn't work.
Right.
So now this one, I can actually put the seatbelt on.
San Diego, and I get some more of these materials for the 350Z. The fluoro with the carbon.
What is this?
It's a hard hat, bro.
Oh.
It's like perfect style for me. I'm gonna get this to drive the Civic around.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the car inside the shop and I'm gonna begin cleaning the van. Do I have the right keys? Wrong keys. Anyways, I'm gonna bring the van inside and I'm gonna start cleaning the van and get it prepped for the interior. We are gonna work on the interior first. Plan for today is clean as much as possible, wipe down the walls and start painting. And we'll see how it goes. Oh, it smells good in here. Ooh, she starts right off. She has passed mug, baby, so she's ready to go.
Sure you don't want to back it in? I should be working in the back.
Alright guys, so now that Mickey helped me put the van inside, let me show you what it's looking like so far.
It's looking like a really old and van.
Hey, calm down. She's gonna be so sexy.
Couple grand and some overnight parts from Japan.
Boom. You hear that? So what I was doing right now with the little water brush and the grinder, I started removing all the rust buckets. What's up? Yeah, baby!
Nice. Whoa! Oh, so there's pretty light surface rust, nothing.
Yeah, nothing major. It came right off with the grinder.
Ooh.
What did you bring us?
I had 9 cans. I got super gloss, high gloss white paint and primer, liquid nails. I got heavy duty drop cloth.
Yep, drop cloth.
This guy.
Yeah.
Dual trigger.
That'll make everything a lot easier.
I know, I don't know why we've waited so long to.
I know, dude. Alright guys, so if you guys can see here, The floor is being cleaned out. I used a wire brush so I can make this smooth because we're gonna be doing something with the floor pretty soon. All the walls are completely clean right now, and the roof as well. Next step is prep for paint. I'm gonna start painting the walls white, and then we're gonna end up doing hardwood floor all the way across the floor. Guys, let me show you what I got so far. I just put a wall with the drop down cover, and I'm just gonna start painting this side of the wall first, see how long I can get because I'm running out of time. I'm gonna put my mask on. I'm gonna put, I already have this on, and then that should be, I gotta turn my headlights on. And this should be good enough for now, I guess. I think I'm done for the day. I completely ran out of time. So there's one wall completely done. Tomorrow when I come in, I'm gonna start on the other wall. Oh, and the doors, and I wanna do those separately as well. So that's it. I'll pick the camera up tomorrow. And I am back. It is the next day. And right now I'm gonna go take a look at the what I did yesterday. Oh, nice. Looks really nice, really white. And I'm gonna start painting this side of the van. Yesterday, there was a lot of overspray inside the cabin, and I ended up cleaning everything out after. Good thing is whenever you're spraying and you get overspray with a wet rag, you can literally just wipe it right off. So I ended up doing that. But yeah, it wasn't a big deal. I just don't wanna go through that again. Probably gonna just tape. Alright guys, you guys can see the right side of the van is completed. So is the left side. I decided to do the tubs now, but I'm pretty sure when I try to apply the second coat after I dry it overnight, like it wrinkled the area. Luckily this is the only thing I did. So tomorrow I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna sand this down, I'm gonna paint it again so I can like the rest of it. Other than that, it's no big deal. It's happened before, and I don't know why the hell I did it, but I did it. Whatever. It happened on the Heron's RX-7. Same thing. So I'll sand it down, I'll repaint it, and then that's it, done. Ran out of time tonight, but after that it'll be the doors. Both rear doors and the slider door will be done, and then the trim around it. The door will get done, and then we should be done with the walls. And then we're gonna start working either the floor after I do the side doors, or the roof. So that's it guys. Somebody else will pick up the camera, or I'll probably pick up the camera next time. So I'll see you in a few. I'm back. This is day 3. I know, it's day 3. Day 3. Today I'm hoping I can finally finish the rear 2 doors and the sliding door. That's the goal. Alright guys, while the van paint starts drying, I want to answer a few questions that you guys may probably be having right now. Like, why didn't you tape the seals? That's all being replaced. Why didn't you tape the truck? That's all being redone. The entire exterior of the truck will be done. Why didn't you take the tail lights out? Because that's being replaced. Everything that I'm not taping is because it's being replaced right now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna let this thing drop for about 15 minutes and I'm gonna keep going on the coats.
The next day.
What do we got here?
We got a special delivery. Guess what it is?
I have no
The
idea.
ice cream truck. Yeah, we placed this order just a couple days ago. It's already here. For those of you guys who guessed, a new cooler, a new freezer. There she is. Chilling. Victor, hit him with the cineramic.
Cineramic.
Do we have some? I think we have some cineramic here. I'm hitting them with the cineramic.
Ceramic. Cinematic.
Right now, I am walking towards the truck.
What'd you get? Get some good stuff?
Yeah, man, check this out. We have plywood, and then under that we have 2x6s. I brought some tools too from the house. Did you unlock it?
It's painted shut.
Snap, no way. Maybe the paint did lock the freaking. Oh, yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it is the paint, yeah.
Whoa.
Nice and white.
Now I know a lot of people are probably wondering, you gotta cut the roof. So that's one of the next things. But before
Right.
we do that, we're gonna do a couple
Then
more
the
things
floor.
before cutting the roof.
Okay guys, well Ricky has done an absolutely fantastic job getting the inside of this van whitewashed for us. So the next step is we're gonna start putting the floor in, and Ricky went yesterday and picked up all the wood for the subflooring of this van. We are gonna be putting a hardwood over top of it. So before we put the subfloor in though, we need to put in some sound deadening. This thing sounds like a cave inside when you drive it. It's impossible to hear yourself think in here when you're driving. So we scored some Be Quiet sound deadening, which is basically a tar-based and aluminum-backed sound deadening material, and it's going to allow us to put it on the floor and actually be able to hear ourselves think and talk and listen to music inside this van while we're driving it. So we're going to lay this down under the subfloor, and you'll never see it, but it's going to do a great job for us, I hope. So we're going to go ahead and start cutting this into some long strips, getting it laid down on the floor. So a huge shout out to Frazier over at Be Quiet for shipping this out to us for this van project. Looking forward to seeing what a great job it does. Click the link in the description down below if you need some for your car.
Alright guys, so me and Mickey just got done doing the floor. As you guys can see, we pretty much cover about 90% of it. And in reality, you don't really have to go this in depth. You don't have to cover the whole floor to get what you need. Two things, we didn't use the proper tools. Me and Mickey both have it. We both used to do car audio back in the day, and we both didn't bring it, so we used our fingers, so no big deal.
What's the tool?
If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's a little roller tool that you use to actually push the sound deadening down, and that makes everything a lot easier. But we got our Gorilla Grip gloves, and that helped out a lot. Now that we have the floor completely level, we are going to go and bring the plywood. We're going to set it down, and we're going to start bolting it down. came back with some goodies. What did you bring, buddy?
Hey, I got us a inverter generator thing so that we can power the cooler and like anything else that we want while we're on the road. So this has 1800 running watts. So that new cooler operates at like 400. So
Oh wow, that's plenty of power. Well, I saw something blue that says Bluetooth on it.
Yeah, so you can control it on your phone and like see how much life it has left.
That's sick.
It's really quiet. That was like really
Nice.
important to try to get a really quiet one. So look, it's got its own little
Handle.
Here we go.
Bro, we can take this on a flight.
We're off.
Is it really putting 100 octane on this?
Just a little bit.
What the hell? Are you serious?
We're out of regular gas, so we're gonna do the try.
Oh, there he goes. Yeah.
We running, baby.
That's the gas. Oh yeah, that is the gas level.
Yeah. I think like
dude.
12 hours at 25% load.
Wow.
Let me show you how to work that sticker, Ricky.
Brand new. Not even out yet, actually. It's live right now.
It's out.
It's out right now.
Send it.
Link.
That's that Subaru livery.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks sick.
The match.
Oh, it matches so good.
Dude, that's like the perfect combo.
It's the perfect color. It matches. The hell? Oh, that nice repeating pattern though. So this just locks in. You don't have to like glue this down or nothing.
Yeah, we gotta glue it.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
I don't think so.
Yeah, man. We still gotta put glue under it.
Ooh, it's a nice floor. It's gonna really spice her up a little bit. This is that high end, like, you know, really boutique-y feel.
It's gonna look
So when you buy your t-shirts, you're buying it from a boutique on wheels.
Dude, there's not gonna be a better ice cream truck out there.
What are you chotches doing?
Moment of truth. Let's appreciate how this looks right here. You have a nice generator, a nice cooler, and then come over here. We got Krusty McCrusterson over here. Old school. I like the new one better.
All right, guys, so while everybody else is running around putting stuff away, I'm gonna close this video out. So you guys seen, and we already explained multiple times, the floor is done. Next up, it's gonna be cutting this roof off, taking the top out of the other van off, clean it, and replace it. On top of that, part of the future for this thing is we're gonna build a bench right there. So we can talk to our customers, and the interior of the van, like where the seats are at and the dash, all that, we have a special surprise for you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you, Mickey, for the help.
You turned out awesome, brother.
Yeah, man, sick. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, and like our video. And don't forget, our new merch is out. Mickey, let me see your hat.
That's all I got on today.
Yeah, I got my sweater in there.
This is the new Subaru livery stuff.
It's live. Go in the link description below and get you some new merch so you can win our STI. See you guys.